This week begins with taking Rohit, who's a very big lazy bum, to the doormat. What happened?
First of all, you're dragging me to the doormat.
Yes.
Second, you put this useless pop socket behind my phone.
Put a pop socket?
And I don't like pop sockets. She has gone and put it on my phone without even asking me. Number two.
Hey, you said number
now
two.
That
You said number two.
what a child, yaar. Now that I want to remove it, and she agrees that pop socket didn't look good.
No, I didn't say it didn't look good. It was looking good. The cover
Really?
of the pop socket fell. Yeah,
Really?
Rohit. Of course it was
She
good.
said she's going to get me another one, so she wanted to remove this one. It wasn't coming off, obviously. She used her teeth to pull it off. Now it just looks like I have a nipple at the back of my phone. What am I supposed to do with this?
I have to put a charcoal inside and then pull it out, na?
We can do that. Train that. One.
He eats, sleeps, breathes, repeats, reels.
Work.
That was
Work.
why I tried very hard not to
Eats,
forget.
sleeps, breathes, repeats, reels.
So yes, finally after 6 months, he had to go for a session after the first dermat appointment
no.
after a month.
Let me explain this. During October or November of last year, I went for my first dermat session. Because obviously she took me. I really liked the whole experience. So I was like, done. I paid them advance. Coming next week booking. Fast forward 6 months later.
And you know why? What got him to move his bum? Because I told him the money that's lying there, I'm going to use it for my treatment. Simple. Instantly, he didn't argue. He said, I'm coming.
That's how you spark a fire under a Sindhi's bum. Money?
He doesn't mind the treatment though.
Don't mind the treatment. You see what I'm uploading first.
What is it that you're uploading?
Read what's written. How did I land up here? Well, Kanupriya was born,
I know, I saw that.
and then 30 years later, there I am.
Also, I'd like to mention with age, your skin starts losing its elasticity and also it starts becoming a little dry. Fractional laser also helps if you see collagen, if you read about it. Collagen promotes all of the above. It makes your skin more elastic, just basically for the maintenance of your skin, especially with shooting back to back, putting makeup on the face back to back. It's important to look after your skin. So it is a steep investment, but again, it depends how you prioritize your skin and if you want to look into these things. There are people who don't do this either. It's not like you will see a difference, like major difference, but it's the overall quality of your skin benefits from fractional laser. So yeah. I have to ask you a question. How does it feel after blowing so much money?
It better be worth it. Nonsense. I'm taking your word for
I
it.
thought you were going to say that to people. It's not
What?
my word for it. Like,
I'm taking your word for it.
okay, and don't stand in the sun after the treatment. Why do you think you realized that you should start taking care of your skin? Because as a child, what were you doing to your skin? Like,
I wasn't taking care of it
Exactly.
at all. Into sports, every sport you can think of. That was the majority of my teenage life.
so you think it's about time you would start, especially the fact that you are
See,
in front of the
I'm-
screen all the time.
I'm lucky with the way I have abused my body and the way I have not taken care of myself.
Yeah.
Like even face cream was like foreign to me. I'm lucky with the amount of damage I've done to myself that I'm still okay enough right now
Yeah.
to kind of recover from it.
Yeah.
That's thanks to mom and dad.
Yeah, good genes.
Good genes, exactly.
But I can already tell this has become a little light. This is, as compared to what it used
Right
to be.
after
it
one
is.
thing, how can you tell? Yeah,
Two,
it
say
is-
the second thing. And after the
yeah,
procedure, you
after
can actually
6
see.
months gap.
Whose fault is this?
Mine.
Remember? Walking down the same lanes. Oh my god. Right here. Hello. And the group. Hi. So do you.
I thought you guys would be here by the time I reached. I was like, chalo, tum log ka lawyer aa gaya, like.
I've seen it before every day. I have to see
I
it.
thought I was super late.
Hello. Are you ready?
You ready?
How are you feeling?
I guess.
You guess?
If I don't run away, I'm ready.
What the?
Come to know link
How we dressed up as bridesmaids? The earrings, everything. Huh? We're ready. Bridesmaid duties. We're back here.
Back to where it all began. Show the seats where we sat, but they've upgraded. Did you see that?
Yeah. Rohit said they spent $20 and they upgraded. They upgraded the
As compared
place.
to the previous place,
Yeah.
I'm like, they probably spent like 15-20 rupees extra and upgraded to this place.
And we had to walk 2 floors and all. So I think they figured girls are going to be dressed and they're going to wear heels.
Exactly.
So please, let's have it on the ground floor. So this one's done better. More thought has been put here.
I mean, even though it's a court marriage, people still do come
Of course.
dressed up, you know.
Listen, this was our only marriage.
Yeah.
I was the first dressed up.
Yeah, of course. And it's so beautifully.
Thank you, baby.
I'm just ordering some sweets right now so we can distribute them after they have said that I do's.
Hey.
Somebody is going to fall.
Because all of us are so starved and it's going to take a while. We are here for some idlis.
Oh, what's this?
It's some dal vada. You want to try?
No.
Turn behind.
Seems
Turn
excessively
behind.
fried.
Hello? Come, you want to have?
It's like he saw a hot chick behind him.
No,
That's how he reacts.
I saw something better.
Pani puri.
I shortlisted Michelle Lawrence as my lawful wife.
I, Michelle Lawrence, take the Sean D'Souza as my lawful
To another one that bites the dust. Launched.
Very yummy. Hey guys! Welcome to another week in my life. I just got done with my bath. I had washed my hair and luckily I remembered that I had bought this thing from Amazon just because it's one of those crazy impulsive buys which I bought and I haven't tried yet. And I don't know why. What was I thinking? Does it work? Does it not work? I have no idea. I have read and I was watching videos that they say that you should do this when your hair is slightly damp. So I think I'm right about there. I don't know what it's going to do to my hair, but since I'm doing nothing much, I am sitting on my computer and editing. Rohit is helping me as and when I get stuck. So I thought, why not sit with this and see if it actually works and it curls your hair or it's just a scam. If it works, I'll let you know. If it doesn't, don't be cunning. Just don't. Here I am looking like I just ran out from asylum. If this works, guys, it's genius. If it doesn't, what a waste of my time. Okay, let's go and see how they react. What are you doing? Even you're recording. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I washed my hair. And they say that you should do this with damp hair.
What is this? What is this? What is
You
this?
don't pull it. Don't pull it. It's just like put together.
It's put together.
Like just one touch and it might just fall off.
But this looks like some Cinderella or some cosplay.
It looks like that, right? But it isn't.
What
It's
is it for?
It's for curling the hair, but like heatless.
Okay,
like
so you
not
haven't
using-
lost your mind, right? It's a genuine question.
So yeah, here I am going to sit to edit while I pray to God that this works and it's a success rate. And nothing, we'll figure something exciting. How to make a dull day interesting.
A few moments later.
Do you know what you're doing?
I don't know. I'm supposed to actually sleep with this. It's supposed to be an overnight thing.
Yeah, you look like Princess Leia
She's done that.
from another universe.
Turns out it was a major flop. All that effort for what? I have no idea. And probably because my hair is short and I couldn't really wrap it around it properly. I tried it a couple of times. I even applied serum. I even used a blow dryer to dry my hair because it was a little damp. It did nothing. I don't know when I'm going to touch it next. So that was a stupid purchase. But yeah, we'll today I am very, very excited because I have finally convinced Papa to come and spend the whole day with Rohit and me. Have lunch, have chai, have dinner. In fact, I was forcing him to stay the night with us, but he's not willing. I also insisted on him to get Gigi, his cat, here so that whenever he's traveling or he has to go for work, she can come here and she'll be used to this environment. So she's a very tough cat to handle. So I'm going down to get Papa and to see if he needs help. But I really, really hope that she does not cause issues and she quietly just listens. Hi! You're being an obedient girl and you're coming only in the lift for reserve for petos. Oh, your baby. Welcome home, Kato. My little baby.
What is this new place, new environment? When was the last time she got out?
She came out only first time after Simala.
What? Really?
God. My goodness.
2 years? No wonder she's a little petrified.
Yeah, of course. New place, new environment. She'll be like this only. But she's here, you can relax. Gigi's day out.
Finally, Papa said that he's going to keep making sure that she keeps traveling so she overcomes this fear.
But not bad, yeah. She's doing
Yeah,
much better
yeah,
than Nofu.
She's doing better than
Yeah,
Much
for
better,
sure.
Much better.
Her litter is here. Thanks to Blinkit. Not a paid promotion, but thank you for the convenience. Yesterday you got what from Blinkit?
I got a printout done from Blinkit. Crazy.
You know, there's
So convenient.
a child wrote on Twitter. Where are those days when mom would yell at me, why didn't you get a photocopy? Where was Blinkit back then? Why didn't we have Blinkit? Come, my baby girl.
आजा आओ आजा यहाँ टिकी आजा
Whoa! Good girl. Who's a champion? Good girl.
यहाँ देखना आओ आओ
Good girl. Now you'll hide over there.
कपड़े गिराएगी तो पिटेगी
Papa, it's okay. Let it be. I'll sort it. She doesn't know which level to go to. If you tear my blanket, no, Gigi. इतना मजा आ रहा है तुम्हें?
She's enjoying thoroughly.
Yeah. She's very happy. If she was not happy, she would have not gotten out at all. Papa, are you okay?
No, she's...
Do you want a cat?
What do you think?
You want a cat? You want to know how much my father loves cats? How much he loves cats? That's how much he loves cats. As time passes, he's watching Tom and Jerry. Ro,
Yes,
do
darling.
you know how much my father loves cats? Are you safe? Oh, Rose, you know what this reminds me of? When soldiers are at war?
This is the soldier at war.
Yeah, that's my soldier at war.
This is like a soldier who says, I don't care about the war. You guys go. I'll stand back and chill.
So today for lunch I have made Papa's favorite rajma and Rohit enjoys his fried bhindi with rajma. That's a very Calcutta thing to do. They also enjoy bundi ka raita. Soon we're going to sit and start having lunch, eating the khana and that's it. Can't wait for food.
You waiting, na?
Finished hummus and pita.
Yeah, just one pita, bro.
Because what is happening here? Monkey,
I'm starving, my god.
Your bhindi is taking so long. I didn't know it'll take so long.
Yeah, I didn't know it takes so long.
It's a Calcutta thing
Yeah, rajma chawal, fried bhindi, fried aloo.
with bundi
Best.
raita
Bundi raita. Oh,
and onions.
that's it.
Oh,
Maybe. That's enough.
wow.
I don't know any other way to eat rajma chawal apart from fried aloo, fried bhindi.
That's why you were asking how to eat like this only rajma chawal.
Yeah, I mean, it's the best way to enjoy it. I mean, Calcutta people, you guys are getting this right.
Of course. It's bye-bye time. Where's your head?
There inside.
Okay. It's bye-bye time, my love.
I'm surprised she was so comfortable.
Yeah, but this is a weekly routine or fortnightly routine. I just got back from the gym. Feeling good to start the week like this. My help is taken a chutti today. Now I'm gonna make protein for Rohit and me. After that, today we're gonna be going for lunch because it's been a very long time since we've gone out to eat or even stepped out this week. Rohit wasn't feeling well. He had a heat stroke. So he was resting it out. Plus, it was too hot for me to actually bother getting out. But today we've decided enough of sitting at home. Let's just go out. We'll enjoy our lunch. Come back, get back to work. That's it. I have a few edits to complete. I'm feeling very inspired today. A lot of ideas are coming in. But first things first, we gotta make protein, breakfast, shower, get ready, head for lunch. Also, I'm glad I just remembered I had seen this little sick dog downstairs. So I'm gonna quickly boil 3 eggs before I forget and take a bottle of water in a container. I always tend to forget these things, so I need to do that first. We're out of bananas. I'm gonna go get some.
A few minutes later.
Thank you.
That's half a glass because I'm angry at you.
It's 3/4 of a glass, so you're not that angry.
I'm pretty angry.
Why are you angry?
Just you're irritating sometimes. That's the only way I'm gonna drink protein. Like, I have to chug the whole thing. It's not fun otherwise. It doesn't feel like a challenge otherwise. So by the time the eggs are being boiled for the dogo niche, I'm gonna make Rohit's breakfast really quickly. 5 eggs. She made the bhurji really well. My help, she started making food so yummy. Wow, it's so good. Just check the time and it's .11:11. It's crazy. I like to believe that it's mom's way of coming and saying hi. So every time it's 11:11, I say, hey mom. And that's our little bit communication that we continue to have. Your eggs broke.
Yeah, I can clearly see they broke.
They broke very badly.
Did they break?
That was unintentionally. I really tried getting up the
That
pants.
was unintentional.
Yeah, you'll see it in the video.
You recorded it?
Of course. Good thing about recording a vlog is he's not going to be pissy on camera.
What did I say?
Because I broke your eggs.
So what is there to gain to say anything from you? It's only going to make things worse.
You get angry.
Yeah, but it's you. I'm used to you being clumsy.
He'll see the video. He'll know why it got broken.
You broke it, didn't you?
You'll see it. I tried to fix it. It didn't happen.
It's well fixed.
I tried. The eggs, the water, it's ready. Now I'm going to head down. I like how people are constantly leaving food for them, which means they won't be hungry. Hi there! I'm so happy I found you. Come here. Come here. Yay! I'm so happy I found you. Come here, come. Okay, don't get this. That's some water. And your eggs. Good girl. Good girl. There's one more. Okay, why aren't you eating? Okay, thank God. That's a win. They're eating and there's water. So now I can go. Bye, babies. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. I'll come and check on you later. Bye. So we finally got ready. We decided to head for lunch. We're going to
Mia Cucina.
Reha suggested this place. She said the food is very good. Plus they also serve gluten-free pasta. So I thought, why not? So yeah, waiting for the cab. We're going out for lunch after a very long time. Like, we've gone out for lunch during meetings and all like that. But like after a while. But we're excited.
Yeah, but hopefully, like the previous times, the food doesn't disappoint. Every place we've tried recently has just been horrible.
That's actually true.
I tell you what, for Bombay people now, for them, the bar is very low for good quality food.
Yeah.
So they rave about it. But when we go there, I mean, I'm from the east, she's from the north, we get highly disappointed. But over here, for them, it's like, wow, you know. So it's highly raved about, but still very disappointing.
We're still trying. I hope we find like a few good places for each cuisine so we can hit those places again and again. Here's an update. today we will be booking our tickets to...
Spiti!
We are going to Spiti. That's the 1st of June. Today we'll be booking our tickets to Delhi.
Yeah, I'm gonna be there for a whole week.
Yeah, a whole week. I have already shopped most of the things. My thermals, my fleece, my jackets, my sweatshirts. Because I can't tolerate the cold. And if I need to have fun, I need to be warm. And also we are going at the best time. Like after doing a lot of research, May and June is the best time to go to Spiti because you can see everything. There might be a little snow, but also you can like there's maximum visibility. So we're very excited. Why do I feel we're on a vacation? Like this place has a whole new vibe. A round of applause for my stunning, beautiful, multi-talented husband who has managed to finish and edit for a very tough vlog in 24 hours.
What's the catch?
How many clips have you gone through?
More than 500.
And with effects, with music, every single thing.
Why are you being nice suddenly?
Because that's commendable work.
Keep that camera on all the time.
How I like that, but then how you manage to do such an intense vlog in 24 hours?
Excitement.
For new screen.
Yeah.
You need to buy a new screen every week.
Every time I start getting demotivated, the screen will get bigger and bigger.
Oh god.
Please go check out the vlog on our channel, Rohit and Kanupriya's channel. 4th part of our Kodai vlog.
And I think
It's called Thank You Kodai.
You've left the best for last, and I think you gave it such a big break, and I think it's
Yeah,
absolutely
there
worth it.
are people actually already commenting saying, we loved your Kodai series. The 4th part happens to be the best one.
Yeah, it's
So
clear.
finally it's up, go check it out. It's a lot of fun, trust me.
Muscles.
Okay, now just do this
Yeah.
and go for it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Rolling. Action.
Oh, wait, sorry, one more.
Ready?
Yeah.
Action.
Wait, yeah, you didn't laugh.
Ready?
Continue rolling.
Wait, say.
Action.
This is called drinking at work.
Okay.
She doesn't look like she took a gulp. She's just like.
No, you have to take a nice,
Yeah,
like,
because
sip.
I'm not supposed to drink.
Okay, one second, listen.
Yeah.
Open, sip.
Okay. Heading out, and we'll let you know soon where we are traveling. It was all a last minute plan. We are very excited. Sorry for the noise, guys. Just Bombay things. Now it's in our building. Now they're here. So we've reached our destination. That was a very quick travel because we've just come to Mindspace. We're literally 20 minutes away from home, man. We are here for a brand shoot. We're shooting for Colgate. That's why red. This is the only place that looks a little like we are not in Mumbai and the traffic is not that bad. Also because again construction is happening, so the roads are blocked. Why am I not surprised?
Darling?
Yes.
Car's ready.
Yes. So we got done with the first bit of our brand shoot. Now we're shooting our own content. Then we'll be rushing back home to shoot the rest of the branded reel. So yeah, it is a hectic day, but it's fun and it's very hot. So Rohit cannot stand the heat at all, and he's been so patient. He's taking retakes after retakes because he needs the shot to be perfect. And there he